As the rain finally stops, and now we start heading, trying to finish, everything up. The weather's not really good today, but we try to get the video done, guys. So, all right, let's check what we're doing.
Hey guys, again, we are gonna start continue that we will stop for a little bit because the weather is not kind of good today. It's raining, so it looks like it still keep raining. So we'll see. So we're gonna start quickly hanging this thing up there. There you go.
Thank you. We used to thank you for it. All right, guys. Here's the piece I was talking about earlier. This, if it's on the floor, on the grass, anywhere, man, you gotta pick it up. This right here, it's really dangerous. Yo, it's raining again, yo. I don't know why, but no, it stopped. Never mind. I don't think we have it, but let me check.
Hi guys, just give us a couple of minutes. We have to look for the. We don't have enough material, so there's a lot going on up here. So hope we can find one. So to fit this, we need the bit, the 5/8. You find it? Huh? Nope. Okay, that's fine. I can just no time for looking, man.
Alright, guys, we didn't find nothing.
Throw me one screw there. This one? Yeah, one.
Guys, I didn't find no bit, so I guess we gotta go to Lowe's to get some more. We have time.
And you gotta keep taking home. I'm sorry.
Yeah, guys, it might be in my room, guys. I might take it home with me. It might be in my bathroom. I don't know. A book bag or something.
Alright, that's good. So let's see what a downspout looks like.
Alright guys, I don't know if you guys see it, but I'm gonna show y'all guys real quick. That's the stuff we doing right there. Alright, right there. Right here. I'm not sure what it's called, but bro, I don't think the video is recorded. Did you record it or no?